What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add shape divider into your WordPress Elementor sections, between your WordPress Elementor sections, to create this nice effect. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access your WordPress dashboard, enter with your domain name on the browser address bar, plus wp-admin, and enter with login credentials, okay? After, you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Then, go to your home page, refresh the page, and you're gonna be able to see this toolbar. This top administrative toolbar. Click on Edit with Elementor, okay? Wait while Elementor loads. And in my case, I'm already have this shape dividers right here, okay? But as you can see, it's not very good. I would like to have the design continuated to the other section. How to do this? First thing, let's locate. Here is the shape divider, and I would like to add a button shape divider into this other section right here. Let's click on it. Style, shape divider. So you're gonna find the section where you would like to apply the shape divider. In my case, it's gonna be into this one right here. I'm gonna click with the right button of my mouse, edit section, review the left sidebar of menus, go to style, scroll down until you find shape divider. And I'm gonna choose button shape. It can be this one right here. Let me apply some color on it, just like this. Let me copy the style out of this one, just to make the designers match. $190, and the color is this one. So let me go back right here. Shape divider, bottom, let me choose this one. Here is the color, 100, 90, and here is the result. As you can see now, we have a continuated effect. Let me publish the page so you can see it both working together. And here is the results we got. Nice, right? We have a continuous effect now. We can flip in the case that I want to create some other element. And let's do the same with the top section of this one. Style, shape, top. Let me choose this one, scroll down, change color, change widget, and change the height, just like this. Let me just apply some space to the top. Just like this. And into this section, I'm gonna apply some padding bottom. Just like this. And here is the final result we got. Nice, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!